Hello, my name is Sophie and welcome to my channel Sophie's Stained Glass, where you can find hundreds of videos about architectural glass. I wanted to make a video today about painting on glass. I haven't done that many videos on about painting on glass, and one of the reasons is because I'm slightly in awe of Williams & Byrne. Williams & Byrne are a firm of architectural stained glass artists in Shropshire, David Williams and Stephen Byrne, and that's where I learned to paint on glass. I went and did a short course, and just by the by, I got funding for the course from the Worshipful Company of Glazers, so it is worth looking around out there for funding options. Before I went to them to learn with them, I had bought and downloaded their book, which is Painting on Glass, and it's in such incredible detail. I mean, it begins with how you mix your paint and how much gum arabic to put in and what your palette should be like, and all along the way there are step-by-step, very detailed, very close-up photos of everything, the brushes, how to store your glass, how to store your paint, everything. Really the most excessive detail. So if you're learning to paint glass on your own, which I was, I can't recommend them highly enough. And in addition, they have articles and videos online. So I will put a link down below to their website where you'll find all the information you need, and I hope, like me, you found them really useful. So good luck with your stained glass painting.